Sharp.
Thank you mfethu. Asine game yafana khambeni mfethu.
Mina into engizoyisho nje ukuthi we don't need to beat Sundowns ukuthi start league. Uyabona nje iSundowns vele ishayile. iSundowns yasihlupha ku league, siyayihlupha kuma cup. Ile nto leyo it's a big teams. Agijimisa league bona bazamile ukuvala ilento league race ukuthi league race ibe on, but then thina sisazimisele sisazoyithatha lento le.
Thank you mfethu. So angitshele first half iBhakani mfethu igame ayisaqeda uqala ewatholile ama chance ne yona yakhetha ukushayela Williams probably 3 chances which they could have converted. Bawubhekile is that actually a cause of concern ukuthi amajita wa convert ama chances as they should.
Yeah, uyazi uPirates sometimes si create too many chances but we score less. iSundowns is a team that mayithola ama chance akanje iyawasebenzisa, of which into esikhosayo kaningi kulama seasons adlulile sigcine ithathile iSundowns is because thina asikori. iSundowns yakora ayidlali, but then abafana ngeso bakhuthaza ukuthi bahambe baqhubeke ba create more chances bazame ukushaya ama goals yabo. Kodwa ke vele manje intesele kusele ileague kusele iNedbank izinto eze Pirates lezo. iPirates this season izothatha yonke into tekwa inkwasho.
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu. Thank you mfethu. So ngicela ungitshele my last question ne on the striking force Orlando Pirates bekukhona kuphela uYanela Mbuthuma, is striking force amaBhakani a cause of concern?
Uyabona iPirates I strike exactly ngestriker. Anyone can score. Uyabona makakhona lapha naye udlala indima yakhe. Yes, sometimes akakwazi mhlambe uyahluleka ukora at the end there, but we don't rely on a number 9 to score a goal. Unfortunately amagoli awafikanga from other players, of which emesithembele ukuthi amagoli azongena. Kodwa ke isikhathi sasekhona akabi late, isikhathi sasekhona ileague lena sisazoyithatha
mfethu. Asivale ngiyabonga leyo Themba. Thank you my brother. Please subscribe mfethu. Thank you.